The thing is, guys, is that bad bump. If you do something like that, keep in mind, you know, you're gonna hit that morning rush hour traffic, you know, so that's already, you know, could be an hour and a half, especially through small towns or larger cities, which I wouldn't recommend. And also, like on roads like this, imagine, you know, boom, 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 every 2-3 seconds, car passing you, you know. So yeah, like, so what I do is I sleep in until 9, and then of course usually gets me about 2 hours to get everything packed up, you know, showers, take it easy, like say have a nice morning, have a cup of coffee, and then so yeah, I usually leave at 11 because I'm thinking like, okay, lunch hour is something that's not much traffic, you know, especially now a lot of people order in with Uber and DoorDash and all that stuff. Right on that bump. So yeah, so I'm riding the day, you know, with no traffic, guys. Everybody's at work, and then I usually, you know, try to do 50 miles. So right before rush hour, you know, right before rush hour, you get into the hotel around 5:30, you know, at the latest 6. But yeah, it just all depends how many miles you got to do in the day. I kind of got lucky with this, you know, with today's 73, but you know, obviously good road conditions, beautiful wind conditions, beautiful temperature conditions. So but yeah, imagine we had a slight northerly right now. Oh boy, this would not be fun. Okay, so it was like a little historic spot with a guy on a motorcycle there. There's some communication towers there, so I believe we are nearing towards the city, guys, which is where we'll stop. Maybe have a couple of grapes, a Frankfurter. We're gonna kill another Frankfurter sausage. So yeah, I think we're getting into the city of something. So we'll probably have a nice photo op to take with a sign. We hope. Yeah, I see like a gas station or something, or actually a Mickey D's. is where we're gonna make a right off of Route 66. And we're soon gonna have to attach our battery. Well, we're not soon, but it still says we got probably about 40% off. I mean 40% of battery. So oh. I missed my turn, but you know what? Just telling me to go straight. Now, three hours, 24 minutes. Yeah, let's get into town, guys, and let's stop. See if our battery will work. First and foremost, our portable battery. Yeah, there seems like a gas station and a Mickey D's. Oh, man. These potholes come out of nowhere, man. Okay, yeah, so it's taking me towards like another turn. Hopefully it'll be after I get into town. Because yeah, if need be, we can charge up our battery, and then we'll proper sit down at the McNeese. Here's the fire department. Oh yeah, so guys, we are in the town of Pontiac. So 11,000 population.